Hello guys, BIM here, and in this tutorial we will learn about the quick Excel toolbar or QAT. Revit has by default a bar named as QAT just above the options bar. This bar is known as the quick access toolbar. It allows you to access these different types of commands in a quick way. You can just add or remove some of the commands in this quick Excel toolbar. You can see this button over here. This button will allow you to add or remove some of the commands that you want or don't want in the quick Access toolbar. Let's say I don't want this 3D default view here. Just click on it and it will automatically uncheck the 3D view. Now you can see that the default 3D view is no longer shown over here. If you want it back, just click on this button and click on the default 3D view. Now it's shown again on the quick access toolbar. Now if you want to again add something over here, some command that you frequently use here. So if you want to add any of the command, just right click on that command. Let's say I want to add component command. Right click on it and just select that add to quick access toolbar. Now you can see that this component command is shown over here with its drop down button. Place a component and model in place. Now if you want to remove it, or another thing I want to show is if you right click on this command, you can see that remove from quick access toolbar, customize quick access toolbar, and add separator. Now what is the separator? The separator is these small lines showing over here, this line and this line. This line is used to separate different types of command, or you can make a group of some commands or some types that are similar in function. So if you want to remove this component command, you can use the customize quick access toolbar. Just click on this customize quick access toolbar dialog box is appears on the screen. Now you can add or remove some of the commands. Now click on the commands you want to add or remove. This cross button will remove this from here. As you can see that this is not removed from here, but after you click OK, that will automatically remove from the quick access toolbar. You can also add or remove the separator here. These are the separator lines, as you can see here, this line and this line. You can also customize it as you can move the commands up or down, like synchronize and modify settings command is moving up or down as you wish. Add separator and also remove some of the commands. As you click OK, you can see that the component command is now removed from here. You can also change the position of the quick access toolbar. Now it's showing above the options bar. You can also change it by clicking this button and then clicking show above the ribbon. Now you can see that the quick access toolbar is no longer below the ribbon, but where did it go? It goes above the ribbon. Here is the quick access toolbar, and this is that button. Customize quick access toolbar show below the button. I want to see it below the ribbon, so I will click on the show below the button to make it go down. So this was all about the quick access toolbar. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.